Welcome to my Python series, inspired by Zen and the art of motorcycle maintenance, which is all about philosophy, but more importantly, about quality and the importance of enjoying what you do. I could have named it Learning to Fly with Python, but stuck with the Zen one. In today's video, I'm going to talk about passwords. Did you know that a GTX 4090 graphics card can crack an 8-digit password in minutes? That's why you're often prompted to use multi-factor authentication for most sites now. With AI making it easier to hack passwords, I'm going to show you how to make your passwords more secure using Python. Code explanation. This is a simple Python script that checks if your password meets certain requirements. 12 characters long, includes a special character, contains a number, checks against the RockU text, a list of compromised passwords. Note, the RockU text is over 12 gigabytes, and the easiest way to get an up-to-date version is on Kali Linux, available on GitHub. Here's me trying a few passwords to see if they work or not. As another YouTuber would say, this is probably a good time for a coffee break or a juice break if you prefer. You can take the RockU bit out of the code, and you'd still have a pretty strong password, but if you use it, you'll be sure your password isn't compromised. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Python tutorials. Remember, your password might not be unbreakable, but this will certainly help. And whatever you do, don't write it down. Use a password manager like KeePass.